When we go to a supermarket, we always buy things using standard values. In other words, we always take 1 kg of rice or 200 milliliter of fruit juice. Fruits are sometimes counted using the unit dozen. 1 dozen means 12 of something. These are terms used in everyday lives. But what if I want to measure something in terms of the number of tiny particles present in it? Let me explain this in detail. Looking at this pure gold, how many gold atoms are present in it? Or wait, looking at the glass of water, can you tell me how many water molecules are present in it? You will probably say that is practically impossible to calculate the number of atoms or molecules in these examples. But astonishingly, chemistry has an answer to this as well. That brings us to the concept of mole. What does it mean? It's very easy. 1 mole of anything has 6.022 times 10 power 23 atoms or molecules or particles present inside it. Isn't this number huge? If I have to write down the zeros, this is how big the number will look like. 1 mole of anything has these many particles. Now let's we take a substance which has 3 times the number of particles here. Then we say that this is 3 moles of the substance. And what we have a substance which has 8 times the number of particles here? That's correct. It will be 8 moles of the substance. That's the basic concept of a mole of any substance. Let's see if you understood the concept well. Now, here is 1 mole of this pure gold. How many atoms does it have? Yes, as it's 1 mole, it will have 6.022 times 10 power 23 atoms in it. Similarly, 1 mole of pure water will have 6.022 times 10 power 23 water molecules inside it. So is this how we define 1 mole? 6.022 times 10 power 23 atoms, molecules or particles. Well, that's the simplest way to understand it. That means if we take, for example, a bag containing 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms, then can we say if 1 mole of hydrogen? Yes, that's right. Similarly, 6.022 times 10 power 23 molecules of any compound like copper sulfate is 1 mole of copper sulfate. Simple, isn't it? Wait, we have just understood the concept of mole in simple words, but we are yet to look at the scientific definition of 1 mole and what this number referred to. Does it have a special name? Watch our next video to know more. Thanks for watching the video.